It's morning again, and I'm here, lost in thought, gazing at these books. Should I dive into something new today or finish that book on focus and productivity I started? They say a great morning routine sets the tone for the day, but choosing what to start with, that's always the challenge, right? Do I start with a book on mindfulness or productivity? Or maybe something about learning new skills? Or do I just jump straight into my agenda and tick off some tasks? Ah, this struggle of indecision is real. All right, let's see what we've got today. Check goals, read for 30 minutes, respond to emails, exercise, and oh yeah, work on learning something new. No pressure, right? Honestly, it's not about doing it all at once. Scientific studies have shown that when you prioritize just one thing, like reading a chapter or focusing on one goal, you're way more likely to make real progress. As James Clear says in Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. That's the key. Small, steady habits. So today, I'm starting with reading. It's a small win to set the tone for bigger wins later. Reading helps me focus. Research even shows that reading for 30 minutes a day not only increases knowledge, but it helps boost mental clarity and it can even reduce stress. Next up, goals. Time to check what's next. Scientific findings have also shown that people who write down their goals are more likely to achieve them. I've got mine right here, written and ready. Communication is key too. Responding to emails and connecting with others can feel like a chore, but keeping communication clear and effective can help make the whole day more productive. All right, communication done. Now it's time to move. Did you know that just a quick 20 minutes workout can boost brain function for hours? Let's get this workout in. Exercise boosts endorphins and improves focus. It's like hitting the refresh button for your brain. With my body moving and my mind
Good
clear,
afternoon.
I can finish the tasks on my
Right time.
list. It's all about balance, isn't it? Check, check, check. One step at a time, right? And remember, learning something new is always a great way to end the day. Even just 15 minutes of skill building can make a huge difference over time. Whether it's learning a new skill, finishing a book, or just completing those small tasks, it all counts. One book, one task, one goal at a time. That's how you win the day. And with that, I'm ready to take on the rest of the day. How about you? What will you start with today? Start with something small today, whether it's reading, learning, or just time to reflect. And don't forget, you can make productivity fun. Subscribe for more insights on how to boost your day, one step at a time. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.